Hey guys, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a hair tutorial for you guys showing you how I've been styling my short hair. I have had this long bob for, how long has it been? Like maybe a month, maybe 2 months? I kind of forgot. How long has it been? Anyways, this has been my go-to hairstyle with my shorter hair and it's so easy. So I wanted to share this with you guys and share with you my tips on how to create this like big voluminous like beachy wavy textured hairstyle look in no time at all and how easy it is to maintain throughout the week. So if you're interested in finding out how I got to this hairstyle, then just keep on watching. But of course, before we jump into the video, if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is JaaackJack. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the little bell so that way you are notified of future videos and you officially become part of the Little Flower family. I do a lot of hair tutorials here on my YouTube channel and I have a whole playlist of all of my past hair tutorials, so I will leave it linked in the cards for you guys. Definitely check it out if you want some more hair inspiration, and I guess we can go ahead and get started with the video. So the first thing I do is take my wet brush. I love this brush so much. It's my favorite. It's like the best ever. So I'm just gonna brush out my hair because I got lots of knots and tangles. And then once my hair is all brushed out, it's like big and fluffy like this. But I'm gonna go ahead and take my flat iron, and the flat iron I'm using is from Lumabella. I switch between this one and my GHD, but this one for the hairstyle I'm creating, I prefer this one because I find that it's like a little bit skinnier, so it creates more of like the natural wavy type of look I'm going for rather than like structured curls. So I'll show you guys what I mean. But I am going to let that heat up real quick and then go ahead and section off my hair. I don't like to do, when I straighten my hair, I know I've showed many videos of me straightening my hair, I work in very thin layers until I've straightened all my hair. But with this particular hairstyle, you want to take bigger sections. So when I normally flat iron my hair, I'll do maybe like five sections. Like I'll section my hair off 5 times before I straighten everything. But for this one, I only section my hair like 3 times. So I'm gonna go from like my ears and back and work on this whole bottom part. And I'm just gonna take this hair scrunchie, put that part up. And if my hair has like these weird kinks like this, I'll just take my flat iron real quick and straighten through everything. I don't always have to do this, it kind of just depends on how my hair does when I sleep at night. Sometimes I wake up and it looks totally fine, but other times I like toss and turn all over the place, so then my hair is looking a little crazy. So now that we have that done, I'm going to take a 1-inch section of hair like this, and I like to turn the flat iron upside down, and then I clamp it and then hold on to the plates and then quickly drag it down like that. And you have this little curl like this. And I kind of pull it down because I don't want them to be like super defined curls. Just want them to have that nice little wave. And I'm not doing this to every strand of hair. I'm just picking up random pieces, turning my flat iron upside down, and then twisting my flat iron back and pulling it down the hair, like so. And like once you get the hang of it, you can actually do this hairstyle really fast. Turning the flat iron upside down again, then twisting back and dragging down. See how like this is not like a perfect curl, it's kind of just like a little wavy twist in the hair. See, that's what I like. Because then when you have a lot of that in your hair, it just creates this really pretty texture and wave. So here's this first layer. You can see that there's still pieces that are straight, but just a few that have like that slight little curl to it. Okay, now we can go ahead and work on the middle section of our hair. So I go from like my temples, go back, tie up this top section with my scrunchie. And this is a lot easier and faster when I do this hairstyle in my bathroom. That's where I like to style my hair because I have the mirror, like I have the mirror in front and then I also have a mirror in the back. So I can move like the medicine cabinet mirror so I can see what's going on the back of my hairstyle. So when I'm able to see it, I go through this hairstyle so much faster. But in general, this is a pretty quick hairstyle to do. Oh, see, that was a little too curly for me, so I'm just gonna like pull it a little bit. And I find that the smaller your sections, the easier it is to create this hairstyle and like create that texture in your hair. Because if you grab too big of a section, it's going to just look a little weird and wonky. So I would definitely recommend sticking with like smaller sections. See, and this is the part where it's kind of hard because I can't see exactly what I'm doing, and this is why I like doing this hairstyle in the bathroom. So I have the mirror. Let me just take a peek at how the back is looking. Let's do one more. So let me just turn around so you guys can see what it looks like right now. So yes, there's still pieces in my hair that are still straight, but we have like that texture and that slight curl to the hair. So that was the second layer, and now we can work on this top layer, and this is where I like to create, I'm just brushing the ends. Oh my gosh, do you guys see all the dead ends flying off? Getting to that point, guys. Might be shaving my head soon. My hair's just getting so damaged. Okay, I like a deep side part like that. And with the top section, I like to grab slightly bigger pieces, and I do curl the whole top section. I feel like when you work on the bottom and middle of your hair, it's not as important. But the top, I do make sure I give a little twist to all the pieces. So there's that side, and I apologize, this entire video I'm looking in the viewfinder, but I'm using it as my mirror, so I kind of need it. Now this section, because it is kind of like thick, because there's more hair on this side, I'm just going to split it in half and then just flip this over. See, here's another one, like that wasn't a curl, but like it has that little bit of a twist, so it gives the hair texture. That's what we want. Okay, there we go. Now flip this back over and we can work on this top section. Whew. Oh, this one's a little crazy. Just pull this guy a little bit. So now I'm just using my fingers to shake everything out. So here's what the back is looking like. And that is it for the flat iron, so we can turn this guy off, put the sleeve back on so I don't burn myself. And this is a time where you can add hairspray, texture spray, whatever you want. My hair actually works best without hairspray or like any kind of texture spray. So all I do is take a little bit of argan oil. This is the Josie Maran 100% pure argan oil. You can use this on like your face, body, and hair. So I like to use this on my hair because you guys know how dry my hair is. So I focus on the ends first, and this also, because it's an oil and oils can be like a little bit heavy, it's going to kind of pull down the curls a little bit so they soften and they're not as like big and fluffy and crazy. So you have more of that like just wavy, natural kind of hair, like beachy hair. And today, that is how I have been styling my hair. I've been really liking this hairstyle, especially with the length of hair that I have. I feel like my hair is kind of like at that awkward length. Like it's a long bob, but it's like that awkward length where if you straighten it, it like kind of hits your shoulders weird and then your hair ends up flipping out like this. So I just find that having like this messy textured look, it kind of just goes with it. So if you have like hair that kind of flips out, it just all like goes together, and it's just super easy to wear. And so because I don't wash my hair every single day, I only wash my hair like once, maybe twice a week at the very most, I'll just go to sleep like this, and when I wake up in the morning I can just kind of finger through, what is that word? I just made that up. I can just finger comb through my hair and then take my flat iron and fix like one or two pieces if I need to, but that is all I really do. It's such a fast and easy hairstyle to do and to keep up with throughout the week, so highly recommend you try it if you haven't yet. It's one of my favorites. So that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!